Hey guys, I got 2 scoops here. No, not 2 scoops of ice cream, but 2 separate ice cream scoops that I got. I'm gonna compare the two and see which one I like best. So far as just handling them, I like them both. This one is heavy duty. It's got some weight to it. This one has the little scooping mechanism that's supposed to help get the ice cream out real easy. I've always wanted one like this. It's supposed to be like you see at the ice cream parlors. This one is supposed to be also professional grade. It's got some grooves in here that's supposed to help get the ice cream out. So I'm going to use them both and see what I think. So stay to the end to see which one I like better and which one I'm probably going to use more of. All right, I'm going to go ahead and test this heavy duty ice cream scoop out and see how I like it. See how it works. Scoops very nicely. Wow, it doesn't stick at all. It came right out and I like that. Let's go ahead and do another one. Very nice. So I'm impressed. I like it. Usually scoops like this, you got to use a spoon or try to get the ice cream off. It comes off very easily. So very impressed. I like it. I like this one very much. All right, here's a handy dandy scooper. Let's see how it works and see how I like it. This one has some big scoops, so if you like big ice cream, get this one. If you don't like big ice cream, don't get it because it's huge. And let's see how it works. Yeah, it works pretty good. It gets it out of there pretty good. That's a big chunk of ice cream, so I definitely like it. I'm definitely going to use it. Very nice. So, all right, we'll use both of them. I'm going to be honest. I like both of them. I like this one, especially for the size. If I have ice cream, I like big scoops. And this is awesome. I'd like to see how this works with like something like meatballs. The site says it can do meatballs. I don't know. I might have to try that. This one is very smooth. I like getting the ice cream and it comes out off the ice cream scoop very easily. And I like that. So I like the heavy dutiness of this one and the ease of getting ice cream off the scooper. It comes off very easily. This one, I like the size of this one. I like it's a nice big scoop. I like big scoops of ice cream, and it works pretty good. So again, I like them both. I'm probably going to use them a few more times to see which one I'm going to use mostly, but I definitely want to try this one on some other items like meatballs and stuff like that. So go ahead, you decide which one you like just from this video.